How to convert an LLC to a corporation in Delaware. During the growth phase of a business, there will come a time when you need to change structure to accommodate newfound needs. If you're thinking of converting your LLC to a C corporation in Delaware, then it's crucial that you know what you're getting into before that leap. Aside from tax concerns, there are other variables that demand thorough research on your part before proceeding. Although you can always switch back to an LLC if things don't go as planned, it's best if you get things right the first time. The process of converting LLCs to Delaware C Corp. If you're converting your LLC to a Delaware C corporation, there are a few key things to keep in mind. Obtaining everyone's support and approval for the conversion is the first step. Therefore, a meeting will need to be called. Then, you'll need to file a certificate of incorporation and certificate of conversion to the Secretary of State. The certificate of incorporation must include this paperwork: the name of the corporation, the address of the corporation's registered office and the name of its registered agent at such address, a statement of corporate purpose, incorporator's name and mailing address, the number of shares authorized by the corporation and their class, rights, and restrictions, par value of the stock, and other additional information. The certificate of conversion will need the original LLC name, date and state the LLC was first created if it had changed its jurisdiction immediately before its conversion to a corporation. The name of the corporation is mentioned in the accompanying certificate of incorporation. After getting approval from the state, you may now attend to administrative matters such as drafting the company's bylaws or onboarding key personnel to your operation. You can also choose to hold a subsequent board meeting to begin raising capital. Finalize every document using the official corporation name on your business documents, and file the required annual report with the state. Filing fees for Delaware LLC to corporation conversion. The minimum cost would be about $253, which includes $164 to file a one-page certificate of conversion, add $9 to each extra page. $89 to file a one-page certificate of incorporation. As for the filing fees for the certificate of incorporation, it will vary depending on the amount of authorized stock. If you would like a certified copy, it will be an additional $100, $50 for the conversion and $50 for the certificate of incorporation. Delaware entities converting to any other non-Delaware or domestic entity must also pay all applicable taxes. This fee is paid to the Delaware Secretary of State when filing the required paperwork. Additional fees may apply if a registered agent service is used. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand will make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good and empty. Time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.